I want to talk about spotting trends. It's a little bit like being a hunter. You have to look at something that's not quite right, or a little bit out of place, or a different color, or a different shade, or some twig that wasn't right in the first place, or some little piece of stone that's turned over, etc. If you think like that, you can spot trends. Now, I'm always telling students to read the newspaper on a regular basis, and the reason why is so that you can spot trends, and also look at existing trends and find out whether they're going to continue, so that the price of the product that you're selling or the service, should you continue at that or drop it down in the future, whatever. So spotting trends and being able to also monitor the existing trends and find out the patterns that they're moving in will help you position your products and services. So to give you an analogy, out here where I have this particular place I walk past, there's a little trail in the grass that's barely observable in the spring. But in the wintertime, it's quite pronounced because you can see the patterns of the feet in the snow. It's quite obvious. So that's the other sort of teachable point. Some trends are observable at particular points in time because the other environments make it possible to discern what's going on. And other times, the political environment or the competitive environment, the technological environment, smother the data such that you can't easily observe what the trend is. So this is a particular example. Right now it's actually quite faint, this little trail, and I'll show you. Now, I'm going to have to actually mark it with my finger because, Ranger, get your big fat head out of the way. You can see where the grass is a little bit browned right here, this small animal, and it continues right down there among the trees down to the water's edge, and it goes back and forth every day. So that's an example of being alert and observable of things that are quite subtle, and the normal person might just walk right past and not even notice that.